Hazrat Yusuf bin Malik states, while I was sitting in the company of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the believer's mother, an Iraqi came and submitted, which shroud is the best? Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, woe to you, what harms you? He submitted, O the believer's mother, show me your Quran. She said, for what purpose? He submitted, so that I may correct the sequence of my Quran, for the people read it against the sequence. She said, it does not harm you, so read first what you wish. The part of the Quran which was revealed first was revealed, and it is one of the chapters with long verses, Mufassal, wherein lies the mentioning of paradise and hell until when Islam had penetrated the hearts of the people. The commands about lawful and unlawful were revealed. If at the outset it had been commanded, do not imbibe wine, the people would have said, we will not abstain from drinking. And if at the outset it had been commanded, do not commit adultery, the people would have said, we will not forsake adultery. When in Makkah this verse, nay rather, the hour is their promise, and the hour is the hardest and bitterest, was revealed to Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W., I was a playful young lass, and when chapter the cow and the women were revealed, I was in his company. The reporter says, she then took out the Quran and dictated him the sequence of the chapters. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4993.